Eating less but still not losing weight? What if I told you the problem isn't calories, it's low fiber? This high-fiber meal plan can help you lose fat, stay full, and fix digestion. Most people eat plenty of food, but almost no fiber. That means constant hunger, bloating, sugar cravings, and stubborn belly fat. This is a simple, fat-loss-friendly high-fiber meal plan that keeps you full, controls blood sugar, and helps burn fat naturally, no extreme dieting. Fiber-rich breakfast. Oats or chia pudding plus berries plus seeds. High fiber, steady energy, and zero mid-morning cravings. High fiber lunch bowl. Beans or lentils plus veggies plus brown rice or quinoa. This keeps insulin stable and stops afternoon crashes. Smart fiber snack. Apple with peanut butter or roasted chana or hummus with veggies. Fiber plus protein equals appetite under control. Light high fiber dinner. Vegetables plus lentils, tofu, or paneer. Easy to digest, filling, and perfect for fat loss overnight. Big mistake? Adding fiber supplements, but still eating junk. Real fat loss comes from whole foods, not powders. Increase fiber slowly and drink more water. This prevents bloating and helps fiber actually work. If you want a 7-day high-fiber meal plan, like this video, subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself and comment, fiber. I'll share the full plan next.